Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can copy text from Instagram post. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open my Instagram application and I'm going to copy the caption or the text of this post. If you want to do that, we have to take a screenshot of this caption or this text. You can take a screenshot of it and you're going to use Google Lens to select the text or copy the text. You're going to go to the Google and you can click on the camera icon, or you can also click on the search bar and just click on this icon like this, and you're going to upload the screenshot to your Google Lens. So this is the screenshot and I'm going to click on it, and you just need to tap and hold on the text to copy the text. Wait, I'm going to copy all this caption like this. Okay, and you're going to click on copy and I'm going to paste it in my notes. Wait, okay, I'm just going to paste it right here. Okay, that's easy, right? Okay guys, and that's how we can copy text from Instagram post. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.